Hey there, join GilComPlex On The Road as we travel to the Alliance RV manufacturing plant in Elkhart, Indiana as a part of the 2024 Alliance RV National Rally. We're here to tour the plant and see how the Alliance paradigm is built from start to finish. First up, we need to find some parking. Let's start at the very beginning, a very good place to start. Well, this is where it all begins, with the framework. The frame is right side up now, but it actually starts upside down. This is done as it makes it easier on the workers to complete everything on the undercarriage this way versus having to lay underneath. By the way, we're looking at the early stage of an Alliance Paradigm 395BS. This rig is 42.5 feet long with 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Once it's fully built, it has a gross vehicle weight rating of 16,800 pounds and a hitch weight of 2,904 pounds. Okay, let's move a little further down the line where we see the walls have gone up on this 395. And if you're familiar with this floor plan, you can really see that it's starting to take shape now. At the next stage, we can see off in the distance, cabinets are being installed as well. Right over there. Yep, and oh, what's this in the distance? It looks like a bear has separated from its pack and has wandered off. Here, little bear. Anyway. We went upstairs to see the progress of the roof, from the joist to the PVC roofing, and then all the components start getting installed as well onto the roof, like the AC units, the wine guard, and solar panels. One of the last things on the line is putting a cap onto the rig, and Alliance uses this put a kappa on a piece of machinery, that's a technical term, to lift it up in place. This serves as both an efficiency and safety enhancement, where other companies use a manual team to hoist it on up. And then we end the tour in the pre-delivery inspection area to see a paradigm in the final stages of inspection, which includes things like smoke, rain, and shake test as well. Well, we had a great time and we really learned a lot. We really appreciate and thank everyone at Alliance for taking the time to give us an insightful tour. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.